r/AskReddit. You've been arrested by the police. You can call any fictional lawyer character you want as your attorney. Who do you call? Better call Saul. I don't need a criminal lawyer. I need a criminal lawyer. Chuck disagrees lol. Fuck Chuck. I guess he was already completely fucked up mate lol. I've heard Matlock is a good choice. For 10 grand, he'll actually sit behind you in court and read the paper. For $15,000, he'll actually sit at the defense table. For $20,000, he'll twice lean forward and whisper something in your ear. You can't argue with that kind of value. Can I get a discount if I just want the whispering? Sure thing, but it's spoken directly into your quivering, cavernous butthole. Read that as carnivorous at first. Phoenix Wright. Edit. Thanks for the gold and silver. Is he going to flail and bluff and make a fool out of both of us? You bet your biscuit. Is he going to make me question the wisdom of ever having been born as the entire courtroom looks on, concerned at his antics? It's a guarantee, my friend. Am I going to be embarrassed for the rest of my life? As sure as vampires are scared of the sun. But is Phoenix Wright going to find the truth, identify the real culprit, get me a not guilty verdict, and possibly solve all my interpersonal issues while he does? Of course. Top 2 answers on this thread are probably what everyone thought of. If you're guilty, call Saul. If you're innocent, Phoenix Wright. If you get mixed up and hire Phoenix while guilty, try having his assistant kidnapped. The Hyper Chicken Lawyer from Futurama. Now, I may be just a simple hyper chicken. Boo-COOCK. I'm sorry, I thought you was con. Don't mind if I cock-a-doodle-doo. Matt Murdock for sure. Nelson and Murdock for sure. Avacadus at law. This was one of my favorite parts of the show. Made them feel more human. Harvey Specter. He's the best, got him closer in New York. What did you just say to me? Get the hell out of my office. Oh, by the way, the file came in, and you're not going to like it. Bullshit. Now, get your shit together and do your goddamn job. Goddamn it, you son of a bitch, you set me up. Charlie Kelly, of course. I want the best expert on bird law in the world on my case. They will get Jack Kelly to counter you. You don't stand a chance. Have you seen the size of his hands? Nobody look. Nobody look. Harvey Badman, attorney at law. Man lost some brain cells watching that back in the day. Did you get that thing I sent you? This is easily my most used reference that is missed by 100% of everyone. Same. And off for some reason no one seems to get. You don't win friends with salad as well. You don't win friends with salad. You don't win friends with salad. I want Bob Loblaw to drop a Bob Loblaw law bomb. Have you read the Bob Loblaw law blog? That's a low blow, Loblaw. You, sir, are a mouthful. Bob Loblaw no habla espinal. Lionel Hutz, so we can have a celebratory belt of scotch at 9:30 AM in the morning. Works on contingency, no money down. Works on contingency, no money down. Oops, it shouldn't have this bar association logo on here either. One of the best Simpsons jokes. I'm fairly partial towards to alcohol. The cause of, and solution to, all of life's problems. Vincent LaGuardia Vinny Gambini. Even if I go down I get to meet Marisa Tomei. Surely you mean Jerry Gallo. Edit. Jerry. Geez, it's been a while. Did you say Gallo, with a G? Jerry Gallo is dead. I'm Jerry Callo. CALLO. What, is that some sort of stage name? I hear all of these comments WTF. Alan Shore and Denny Crane. Had to scroll too far for this. Seriously. How is this not the top answer? Especially with Saul Goodman being the top. Don't get me wrong, that guy's entertaining, but he is not the lawyer you want representing you if you have options. But if there's a way, any way at all, to win the case, Alan Shore is gonna get it done. And if there's not a way to win the case, well, Alan Shore might just get it done anyway. If there is no way to get you off, that's when Denny Mad Cow Crane comes in. Maybe he insults and bullies the judge. Maybe he had an affair with the judge's wife. Maybe it's bribe. Maybe it's a bullet. But if Alan can't win it, Denny can probably get you a mistrial. My cousin Vinny. What is a ute? Oh excuse me, your honor. To youth SAA. This. Only the lawyer is fictional, meaning that the case would be tried normally, as opposed to by the rules of whatever fictional universe the 100% success rate lawyer comes from. My cousin Vinny has been praised by lawyers for being remarkably accurate, and cousin Vinny's technique has also been noted as being excellent by people with actual courtroom experience. If it were a case of a fictional lawyer in their fictional universe, maybe I'd go with someone else. But a fictional lawyer who has to play by the rules of the real world legal system? I don't think there's a better choice than Vincent Gambini. Analyze Keating. Obviously. She is messy AF, but gets the job done. Also might inadvertently kill you. Is that a bad thing? I see this as an absolute win. As long as you don't meet her intern's parents / collaborators / lover / husband / rivals, you might just make it. Hol up. She never actually killed anyone. Jeff Winger from Community. He was actually a good lawyer, plus maybe I could get to be on Troy and a bed in the morning to discuss the case. Honestly, he was one of the best, but just didn't have the paper that said he was legally allowed to be the best. I thought you had a degree from Georgia, and now I need one from America. Columbia, actually, but I give it a B+ because it still works. Thing is, it sounded wrong to me, and I'll admit, I did have to double check that Georgia is also a country. Me and geography don't go well together, but I still went with it. I'll take a B+. It's the Winger way. Perry Mason. He only ever lost one case. Perry Mason could hold the attention of a 90s child in black and white television. This really is the only right answer if you're actually in trouble. Not only will he save your bacon and find the real culprit as well as their motive, but you'll have the pleasure of hearing him do it in the smoothest of baritones. Can't believe I've had to scroll down this far. We need Perry Mason. Why is Perry Mason not the top comment? Jackie Childs. Edit. Oh my god, I had no idea this blew up. And thank you for the gold award, holy hell. Oh. That's outrageous, ridiculous, pusillanimous, and parsimonious. Jackie Childs. You put the bomb on? Who told you to put the bomb on? I didn't tell you to put the bomb on. Why'd you put the bomb on? You haven't even been to see the doctor. If you're gonna put a bomb on, let a doctor put a bomb on. The maestro. The Who. Exactly what I said when I saw this far down. Fletcher from Liar Liar. Fletcher, Your Honor, I object. Judge, why? Fletcher, because it's devastating to my case. Judge, overruled. Fletcher, good call. No lie. Liar Liar is the movie that made me want to go to law school. Did you? No, I later saw Requiem for a Dream and decided to become a drug addict instead. Single female lawyer. Since female lawyer, being self-reliant, wearing miniskirts, and helping out her client. Hey, I'm pretty good. Every time Bender says single female lawyer, having lots of sex, I die laughing. It took me an hour to write. I thought it would take an hour to read. Miss McNeil, I'm afraid I must decline your offer of marriage. For, you see, I'm dying. Cough, then fall over dead. Smiles and continues to stare into camera. Jennifer Susan Walters, aka She-Hulk. Private attorney, adventurer, formerly bounty hunter, SHIELD agent, actress, mind slave, magistra of the living tribunal, New York City assistant district attorney, law degree from UCLA, University of California, Los Angeles. Ding ding ding. Correct answer. I'd take Murdoch over her in the same universe. He can tell when most people are lying. This might make me sound like a pig, but I would probably go with She-Hulk over Murdoch, just so that if I didn't wind up in jail, I could ask her out. Murdoch is probably a safer bet, sure. But you have to realize I'm an idiot. It's an important consideration. It's cool, we all wanna fuck the Hulk. Both of them. Gordon Bombay. People forget before he was the greatest pee-wee hockey coach of all time, he was the sleaziest defense attorney in Minnesota. You really stooped to an all-time low on this one, Bombay. I'm insulted by that. Frank, you have no idea how low I can stoop. This is the best answer and no one else is saying it. Mighty Ducks is the tragic story about how a lawyer with a 32-0 record threw it away for some dumb kids and morality. Cake eater. It's been a while. I thought he got a DUI though, and that's why he coached them. I assume he quit lawing after? I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for I upload daily and suggest what subreddit I should cover next. Thank you and happy travels.